Whether you agree with Dave Ramsey or not, he has helped many change their lives. He is a renowned personal finance expert, radio show host, author, and motivational speaker. His financial thought process is deeply rooted in principles of debt-free living, financial responsibility, and building wealth through discipline and intentional decision-making. Ramsey's approach is known for its simplicity, practicality, and emphasis on common sense strategies. In this exploration, we'll delve into the key components of Dave Ramsey's financial thought process, examining his core principles and their impact on individuals seeking financial stability and success. The 7 Baby Steps, a roadmap to financial freedom. Central to Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy is the concept of the 7 baby steps. These steps provide a structured roadmap for individuals to achieve financial success and independence. The steps are as follows. Step 1, save $1,000 for an emergency fund. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of having a small emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This initial step is designed to provide a financial cushion, ensuring that individuals can handle unexpected setbacks without resorting to debt. Step 2, pay off all debt except the mortgage using the debt snowball. The debt snowball is a key concept in Ramsey's methodology. It involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Ramsey believes that the psychological victories gained from paying off smaller debts first can motivate individuals to stay committed to the process. Step 3, save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. After paying off consumer debts, Ramsey suggests building a more substantial emergency fund. This fund acts as a safety net, providing financial security in the face of job loss or other unexpected events. Step 4, invest 15% of household income in Roth IRAs and pre-tax retirement accounts. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of long-term investing for retirement. He recommends allocating 15% of one's income to retirement accounts, focusing on tax-advantaged options like Roth IRAs and pre-tax retirement accounts. Step 5, save for your children's college fund. For parents, Ramsey suggests saving for their children's education. He recommends utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like 529 plans to ensure that children have the means to pursue higher education without accumulating excessive student loan debt. Step 6, pay off the mortgage early. Once other financial goals are met, Ramsey advises individuals to accelerate mortgage payments. The goal is to become completely debt-free, including the mortgage, and achieve homeownership without the burden of long-term debt. Step 7, build wealth and give. The final step involves continuing to build wealth and giving generously. Ramsey encourages individuals to invest, save, and contribute to charitable causes, fostering a mindset of abundance and generosity. The debt snowball method, psychological wins in debt repayment. One of Ramsey's most well-known strategies is the debt snowball method. This approach involves paying off debts in order from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. While some financial experts advocate for prioritizing high-interest debts, Ramsey believes in the power of quick wins to motivate individuals. The rationale behind the debt snowball is psychological. As individuals pay off smaller debts first, they experience a sense of accomplishment and motivation. This positive reinforcement helps build momentum, creating a snowball effect that propels them toward tackling larger debts. Critics argue that the debt snowball may result in paying more interest over time compared to focusing on high-interest debts first. However, Ramsey contends that personal finance is as much about behavior as it is about math. The psychological boost gained from successfully eliminating smaller debts can be a powerful driver in the journey toward financial freedom. The envelope system, budgeting with cash. Ramsey is a strong advocate for budgeting, and one of his practical tools for managing spending is the envelope system. This method involves allocating cash into envelopes designated for specific spending categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, spending in that category stops until the next budgeting period. The envelope system operates on the principle of physical money providing a tangible representation of one's budget. Unlike digital transactions, using cash forces individuals to be more conscious of their spending habits and encourages fiscal discipline. This method is particularly effective for those who struggle with overspending or find it challenging to stick to a budget. Avoiding debt and living below your means. A cornerstone of Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy is the strong aversion to debt. He famously advocates for living a debt-free life, excluding only reasonable mortgage debt in the later stages of financial planning. Ramsey argues that debt often hinders financial progress, limiting individuals' ability to build wealth and achieve long-term goals. Living below one's means, according to Ramsey, is essential for financial success. This involves making intentional choices to spend less than one earns, leaving room for saving, investing, and giving. Cash flow planning. Every dollar has a purpose. Ramsey's approach to budgeting extends beyond the envelope system. He promotes the concept of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar earned has a designated purpose. This involves assigning specific amounts to various spending categories, savings, and debt repayment until the budget equals zero. By giving every dollar a purpose, individuals gain control over their money and are less likely to succumb to impulsive spending. This method fosters a proactive and intentional approach to financial management, ensuring that individuals are directing their income toward their financial goals. The importance of financial education and literacy. Dave Ramsey is a vocal advocate for financial education. He believes that individuals must take the initiative to educate themselves about personal finance to make informed decisions. Ramsey's radio show, books, and courses are all geared toward empowering people with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complexities of money management. Ramsey emphasizes the need for practical, applicable financial education, asserting that traditional schooling often neglects essential topics such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. His approach encourages individuals to seek out resources and actively engage in the learning process to build a solid foundation for financial success. Criticisms and controversies. While Dave Ramsey's financial thought process has resonated with millions and led to notable success stories, it is not without its critics. Some common criticisms include debt snowball versus debt avalanche. As mentioned earlier, the debt snowball method has faced criticism for not prioritizing high-interest debt. Critics argue that the debt avalanche, which focuses on tackling debts with the highest interest rates first, is a more mathematically sound approach. Simplistic investment advice. Some financial experts argue that Ramsey's investment advice is too simplistic. While he advocates for a straightforward approach with a focus on mutual funds and diversification, critics contend that a more nuanced understanding of investment strategies may be necessary for certain individuals. Overemphasis on homeownership. Ramsey's emphasis on paying off the mortgage early has been criticized for not considering the potential benefits of leveraging low mortgage interest rates for long-term investment opportunities. Some argue that diverting funds from mortgage repayment to higher return investments may be a more strategic approach. Rigidity in approach. Critics also point out that Ramsey's financial philosophy can be rigid and may not accommodate the diverse financial situations individuals face. Some argue that a one-size-fits-all approach may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with complex financial challenges. Dave Ramsey's enduring impact on personal finance. Dave Ramsey's financial thought process has had a profound impact on the personal finance landscape, influencing millions of individuals to take control of their financial destinies. His emphasis on debt-free living, intentional budgeting, and long-term investing has resonated with a broad audience seeking practical and actionable advice. While criticisms exist, it's undeniable that Ramsey's approach has empowered countless people to break free from the shackles of debt, build emergency funds, and work toward financial independence. The simplicity and clarity of his principles have made personal finance more accessible to those who might otherwise be overwhelmed by complex financial jargon and strategies. In a world where financial literacy is often lacking, Dave Ramsey's advocacy for education and his commitment to providing straightforward, common-sense advice fill a crucial gap. Whether one agrees with all aspects of his philosophy or not, there's no denying the positive impact he has had on individuals striving to achieve financial peace and security. Ramsey's enduring legacy lies not just in the specific steps of his baby steps or the debt snowball, but in the broader message that financial success is achievable for anyone willing to embrace discipline, live below their means, and make informed, intentional choices with their money.